Today we are heading to one of the most beautiful and cleanest beaches in the Pattaya area. This is Sai Kaew Beach. This hidden paradise is well protected by the Thai military, making it a real treasure. Let's explore how to get there and what makes this beach so special. Keep an eye out of a military officer standing at the roadside. That's your sign you are close to the entrance of the military base, where this pristine beach is located. Once we reach the checkpoint, we need to exchange our regular driving license for a special entry card. This card allows us to enter the military area. It's a simple process, and you'll see a small booth where this exchange takes place. After getting our special pass, we are ready to continue our journey. From here, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes to reach the beach. The drive itself is an experience. Lush greenery, well-maintained roads, and various military buildings along the way. It's fascinating to see this real active military base where soldiers live and work. The entire route is peaceful and scenic, making the drive enjoyable. At the second checkpoint, a soldier will check your entry card before allowing you to pass. Then it's time to buy tickets. The ticket office is located nearby, and the pricing is very affordable, only 100 Thai baht for adults and 50 Thai baht for children. With our tickets in hand, we continue driving for another 15 minutes. This final stretch is breathtaking. The road runs along the coastline, offering stunning views of the sea before taking us into the mountains. Be careful on this part of the drive. The road is quite narrow and you might encounter monkeys and stray dogs along the way. Drive slowly and enjoy the spectacular scenery. We've arrived! The parking lot is quite spacious and you'll see many cars here. Now let's head to the beach and take in the view. Sai Kaew Beach is a true paradise. There's plenty to do at Sai Kaew Beach. You can rent chairs for just 40 Thai baht per day, making it easy to relax under the shade. A swimming ring to play in water. If you are feeling adventurous, you can also rent a boat and explore the coastline from the water. The sand is soft and clean, the water is crystal clear, and the beach is shaded by beautiful trees. This place is perfect for families, especially if you have children. The water is shallow for quite a distance, meaning kids can safely play without the fear of deep water. The beach is surrounded by charming little cafes where you can enjoy delicious Thai food, fresh seafood, or simply relax with a refreshing coconut drink or cup of coffee. There are also massage shops where you can get a traditional Thai massage right by the beach. One of the highlights of Sai Kaew Beach is the breathtaking sunset. As the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a canvas of orange, pink, and purple. If you want to extend your stay, there are small, charming bungalows available for rent. The price is only 1,000 Thai baht per night, which is very affordable considering the beautiful location. However, since this is a military beach, you can only book a bungalow if you have a Thai friend with you who can make the reservation. These bungalows are quite popular, so it's recommended to book at least 2 months in advance. Apart from swimming and relaxing, there are many photo spots around the beach. You'll find beautifully decorated areas perfect for taking stunning pictures. While this beach is incredibly beautiful, it's also home to some mischievous monkeys. If the beach isn't crowded, monkeys might come close to the beachfront area and attempt to steal your belongings. They are especially interested in food, car keys, wallets, and anything shiny. Always keep an eye on your stuff and avoid leaving anything unattended on the sand. There are also sand fleas on this beach, which can sometimes bite. You won't feel it at the moment, but later you might notice tiny bites on your skin. This is a common occurrence in many beaches across Thailand, and some say that fleas only exist on clean beaches, so in a way it's a sign of how pristine this place is. However, not everyone gets bitten, so it depends on your skin type. There's also a small restaurant where you can enjoy fresh seafood while admiring the ocean view. The food court, while closed at the moment, offers a great variety of affordable Thai dishes when open. You can get a bowl of delicious soup for just 60 Thai baht. Sai Kaew Beach is truly a hidden gem, one of the best beaches in the Pattaya area. It's clean, peaceful, and full of natural beauty. If you have a car and some free time, this beach is definitely worth visiting. You'll experience crystal clear water, soft sand, breathtaking sunsets, and a relaxing atmosphere away from the busy tourist spots. Just be mindful of the monkeys and sand fleas, and you'll have an unforgettable time. After a perfect day at Sai Kaew Beach, it's time to head back home. If you don't have your own transportation, you can try catching a bus at the nearby bus stop, although public transport here is limited. The best option is to use the Grab app to book a ride back to Pattaya. Luckily, there is good mobile and Wi-Fi connectivity, so finding a ride should be easy. So if you're looking for the perfect beach getaway, Sai Kaew Beach should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you plan your visit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems in Thailand. See you in the next adventure. Sawadee ka, kapun ka, and bye bye.